I'm here in Silverstar for the Slopestyle competition. It's a gold level F&B event, and yeah, I just did a couple of practice laps. The course feels super good, and yeah, I'm gonna start to work on my run. Let's go. Tjo!
Ja.
Whoa! Such a cool course actually. Like the difference is insane when coming from joyride to this, like way more chill. But yeah, stoked to be here. Hur är det att flippa in här då?
Det är tvärsill.
Tvärsill. That was the craziest flipper whip I have done. I didn't even catch my bar, but I somehow got it around. Scary moments for sure. Okay, this is the scariest part on course actually. It's a sick line. Okay, let's see. I think Lucas Skald is gonna do the flipper whip as well. Oh, so good. Way better than mine actually. Svinbra, Luke. Fan vad fett. So it's Friday, second day of practice for me. I'm gonna head up there and now work on my run part by part. So I'm gonna start with the upper part, the whale tail and the step up, and then just work myself down. Yeah, let's go for it. Oh, the crash definitely sucked. I think I will need to change the trick there. I wanted to do a switch free whip, but I don't know what happened. Yeah, going for flips instead, I think. Thanks. Jag fastnar någonstans. Vad gör jag för någonting? I don't know what's happening, but yeah, there's some crashing going on today. Trying to figure out my run. So I think I'm gonna do a top to bottom and then just call it for the day and figure out my run until tomorrow and then practice on it, because I don't know, it's kind of hard. I don't really want to do exactly the same as I did last year, but something similar would be smart, I guess. Yeah, let's go. So it's Saturday, tomorrow is Sunday and qualifications. I'm currently working on the lower part. I'm gonna do the on and off and then on a fronty the last jump. Yeah, trying to figure out my run still. It's actually so hard on this course. There's so many opportunities to do different kind of tricks, but yeah, I think I have something in mind now, so that's cool. Yeah, let's go up and ride. Yeah. Ooh, that fronted. Oh, that was kind of a relief to do something today that I planned, because I came here to practice and it was super windy. Yeah, stoked on the link there. It was actually the first run I did on the like on and off for the session. I thought that was going to take way longer, but stoked I made it happen on the first try. I'm gonna see how it is with the wind now and then hopefully ride some more. So Anton wants to do front attack on the step up now, so I'm gonna film him and hopefully he got it. He did like 10 fronties now. He just needs to let go of the hands. Yeah, let's see. Woo!
Good?
Det är lugnt.
Holy shit. What did you do?
So it's Sunday, it's the day of qualifications. Currently just packing together my run. Still hard to know what to do, but yeah, I will do a couple more setup runs and then go for it. Whew. Upp och kolla in i tailen. Det var första på den här bågen också. Oh, I was scared of that one. I was so stoked I landed. Aj! Oh, I'm so stoked. I made it down there. I cased a bit on the switch corky, then pedaled and did the whip bars, and yeah, I did some improvisation like the flip triple bar and yeah, the fronty as well actually. But now I know what I can do, and for tomorrow I think I'm gonna switch up a few things and yeah, then go for the finals. So it's Monday, day of finals. Yeah, I'm gonna do a couple of warm-up laps and then figure out my finals run, but I feel good on the bike, to be honest. Just did one lap. Gonna be an interesting day. Let's just go for finals and see what happens. Okej, jag ska inte korka den.